Okay.
I'm going to index the turret for you.
I saw it index, that's okay. Maybe the spindle. Should we do that one?
Oh, the spindle?
Yep.
What is it? 300, 400, 500, 600, 7,
700.
800, 900, 1,000, 1100, 1,200, 13, 14, 15, 1750, 2,000.
That's 2,000. Okay.
2,250, 90.
2250. You can go ahead and stop it.
5,000. Let's go ahead. Alright, now you want us to...
Now, a live tool, please.
Okay.
Okay.
Can you be careful with your
Yep.
for now? That's with our own thing.
Yeah. Thank you.
Alright, forward. Now I'm spinning at 1,000, 1,200, 13, 14,
1,500. That's good enough. You can stop it. Okay. And then if we could just move the Y again.
Positive direction. And negative direction.
And then if you can do the parts catcher.
I don't know if it's not gonna hit them.
Oh, it might hit the jaws.
It might hit the jaw.
All right, don't worry about it then.
Unless you want me to take out the jaw.
No, it's all right.
That one is gonna have total hours of 8,000.